Hey everyone, it's Asal and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a special face yoga for mid-cheek line or wrinkles that appear in the middle of our cheeks as we age. First, let me tell you the reason that we are getting these lines. These lines and wrinkles mostly appear as a result of loss of elasticity, repetitive facial expressions, too much stress and tension that disbalance fat buckets on the cheek. So if I want to show you how do they look on our cheek, I have to draw a line like this on my cheek. I think you can see. The thing that we're gonna do today is to relax our face muscles, lift them and detoxify our skin. First exercise that I'm gonna do is to just loosen up and stretch face muscles. So with my fingertips, I'm gonna just massage on the masseter muscles here, and I'm gonna lower my jaw as far as I can, and I'm gonna massage on this part for 30 seconds. Let's start. So with this massage, we try to loosen up the tight muscles and release any tension that we might have in the muscles. Next, I'm gonna place my index fingers between my brows like this and start massaging in circular motions for 10 seconds. Like that. Next, I'm gonna hold my brow up like this, and then with other hand I'm gonna massage this part firmly for 10 seconds, moving up and down on the side of my nose. For the other side, I'm gonna hold the brow up like this, and with other hand I'm gonna massage in circular motions for 10 seconds, slowly up and down the side of my nose. For the next exercise, we're gonna pinch our skin on our cheeks, but try not to go so close to the eyes. Pinch them, slightly move them like this. Try not to make any wrinkles under eyes. With this move, we're gonna unfold any wrinkles that might appear on our cheeks. As you can see, my cheeks got red, so this means that I'm increasing the blood circulation on this part, and that's a good sign. So, and for the last exercise, just hold your cheeks like this. Apply medium pressure and be so smooth. Hold for 30 seconds. Just try to relax and release any tension that you have in your muscles. If you feel any pain, release immediately. Okay, we are done. Let me just clear this line. As you can see, my cheeks are red now, so this means that the blood circulation really increased in these areas, and that will help to reduce the wrinkles on the cheeks. Do this every day and consistently. You're gonna not only see the wrinkles disappear, but a more youthful and glowing looking skin. So this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and share this video with anyone that you think they have this problem and they might need this. Also subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye!